Hello my wonderful family. Hello, thanks for tuning in once again. Today I have another special tutorial to show you guys, and it's on how to make a Valentine's gift, which I have here. So in this video you see how I got to beautify this teddy bear I have here. Initially I got this teddy bear, so but I begin to reason how to beautify it for a special day like this. So guys, I just make it a little tutorial, and you may have a teddy bear like this and think of how to beautify it this way. So this video will show you how to get a beautiful teddy bear like this that you can give as a gift, as a Valentine gift for anyone, for anybody you feels like giving a gift this Valentine. It shouldn't be stressful to you. With all the tutorials I've been bringing out, I believe it will go a long way to help somebody or to help a lot of people. So I made a little, I didn't show how I made the pretty skirt, but I just used a very beautiful needle I used in beading, to beautify a red satin I got, and I just made it a running stitch and draw the rope, and it become a little beautiful pretty skirt. But you see how I got to fixing all this little design, and I got this design from the one I use in making my beads. Okay, so the beads tutorial I do show in this channel. So guys, you see how I got to make this beautiful teddy bear well design, and I got a heart shape cup, which I aim in to place all my I just wrapped the flower and placed it in. And at the back also I got a little ribbon and a stone bead I use also, and I use it to design this beautiful heart cover, so it makes it more presentable as a Valentine gift. And if you really want to make it more specific, because this also can be given as a gift to a mom, like in Mother's Day, you can give this to your wife, to your mom, to your sister. To make it more specific, and you can just add here, see, Happy Valentine's Day, or you can open it like this and put it inside, Happy Valentine's Day, like this, to make it more specific. And also what I did next was, after making the design, after getting it up like this, I sprayed it a rose flower scent. So as I'm here now, the aroma, the scent is so charming. It's so relaxing, so relaxing and so good. Scent so well. Wow, it's so relaxing. Rose scent is the best for relaxing, for calming. So this Valentine, I really put up a lot of things together for each and every of my viewers to have a very wonderful Valentine, a very beautiful one, and to know how to give gifts without being stressed up, So love you guys, keep watching, and I would like to see your comments also in the comment section below. Thank you guys. Comment and share to everyone will benefit from this video. Love you guys. please don't miss out the next episode. We have a lot of good videos, a lot of beautiful tutorials in this channel. Bye, and see you all in my next video.